Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to make air dry clay at home and also test it if it is worth making at home or not. A small good news before we begin, our channel is growing day by day and we have crossed 500 subscribers so far. I must definitely thank you guys for the love and support. Let's get started with today's video. I'm taking a plastic bowl and adding 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, and then adding half a cup of salt. This is the main ingredient as it will preserve the clay for a long time. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. This is to make the clay non-sticky. Then I'm adding more than half a cup of water. If the water is going high, then you can add some more flour to it. Please make sure that the salt is dissolved well. Once you have mixed everything and kneaded well, the consistency will be like this. You can store the clay for even a month in fridge by wrapping it in a polythene sheet or in an airtight container. As per the consistency, I would say it is more of like a store-bought clay. So we will make some projects out of it and then we will get to know if it is worth making or not. I'm mixing acrylic paint with a little part of the clay. I'm testing if the color retains if it dries. For the petals, I'm pressing from all 4 sides. So you guys, here is the final look and the moment of truth. I would say the homemade clay without any glue is definitely a pass because it is holding its shape very well. Coming to the drying time, it is taking 1 or 2 days for a smaller project and 3 to 4 days for a bigger project. On to the color point, when we are mixing paint with the clay, then it is not retaining its color as vibrant as it was. But when we are painting the project once it is dried, then definitely it is keeping its color as it is. The major and the only drawback is that we are making it out of edible items, and so we need to definitely add varnish coat to it. Also, when we are making a bigger shape out of it, then I feel like it is not drying entirely. And that's it guys. I hope you all find this as a useful idea. Please let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing. I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep supporting guys. Bye.